Want to make your sales pipeline smarter? Klozer's live spreadsheet sync is the answer. Imagine this: your Google Sheets and Klozer working together perfectly. No more uploading lead lists or copying data back and forth. It saves you the hassle of manually managing leads and keeping track of them. Here's how it works. Connect your spreadsheet to Klozer once, and that's it. When you add new leads to your sheet, they show up in Klozer right away. Your agents can start calling without delay. After calls, all your results flow back into your spreadsheet automatically. See who was contacted, what happened, and what needs follow-up all in real time. With Klozer, you only need a computer and internet connection. No extra hardware, no complicated setup. It's cloud-based with 99% uptime, trusted by call centers in over 100 countries. Make your sales pipeline smarter with Klozer's live spreadsheet sync. Your team spends less time on data entry and more time talking to customers, up to 50 minutes per hour. Smarter sales pipelines start with Klozer.